Yes.
Yeah, I did not expect any of this stuff. That's
Isn't
awesome.
this a fun Christmas?
I didn't expect anything. It's really cool.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.
What'd you get? Toilet paper?
Mouse.
Oh, I guess it's
More
the same.
tissue paper.
More tissue paper. It's another empty box.
More tissue.
Did you guys see you open your little stockings yet?
What is something in this one?
What else you got? What is in there?
I don't know.
Something. It's just another gift card.
No. What is this? Oh!
What is that? What is that? The truck turkey? What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Where is that? Well, it ain't under the tree.
Holy.
Go.
Holy shit! Don't break my window! Holy shit!
Go. I'm going.
No way.
No freaking way! Don't let the big dogs out. Go get your car! Go get your car!
No.
Go get your new car!
God, you're kidding.
I've never seen this before.
Go get your car!
I always see
Go
those
around in front of her.
commercials.
Run out in front of her. Go get your new
way.
car. She's crying.
No, I'm crying.
I'm crying.
That's rad. Holy crap. Is it a hybrid?
And it's green.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid too? Oh
And
my god.
the one in front of it is Tiffany's.
Nuh-uh. No.
Yeah.
That's Tiffany's? Nuh-uh. Oh my god, you guys got two cars? That's Tiffany's. That's Tiffany's. Where's mine?
What's mine? Is there a third one?
Oh my god. I'm so
Merry Christmas.
Wow, shit.
Go get in that puppy.
Holy
Hop
crap.
in. The driver's side.
That
Get
was
in the
your
driver's side.
I swear I thought this was only in commercials.
There you go. You're unwrapping your car.
We went back and forth. Like, I'm like, no, we're getting this one too.
What do you think? What do you think?
Here it's stuck.
What do you think, Caitlin? Caitlin, what do you think? It's hybrid. Is this what you wanted?
Get in it.
Is this what you wanted? Is that what you wanted?
Get in it. Get in it. Sit down.
Holy fuck, man. That's awesome.
You needed to learn on something, Pumpkin.
Did they give you the bow too?
No. I had to make the bow.